Привет! В прошлый раз, last time, we covered Russian numbers. And there is a reason for that. So I hope you've had some time to practice reading them. Today, we'll be learning how to ask and answer the question, how old are you? In Russian. If you need to know how to say a specific number, you can always refer to the previous video. To ask how old are you, you'll say сколько тебе лет? Or if you're talking to someone in a formal way or asking two and more people at once, you'll say сколько вам лет? Once again, сколько тебе лет? Сколько вам лет? Have you noticed that we don't use the words ты or вы here, but we are using their forms, тебе and вам. Both of them mean to you, and the whole question literally means how many years are given to you. Or to be even more precise, the word лет comes from лето, that means summer in Russian. So you're kind of asking, how many summers are you given? Сколько means both how much and how many. And you can also use it to ask how much something costs. Imagine you're at a Russian store buying a bottle of water, for instance. How would you ask, how much is that? So you can simply say, сколько это? Сколько это? Now let's see how you can tell a person your age. And the answers will slightly differ depending on the exact number. If your age ends with 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 0, 37, 46, 59 and so on, you'll say мне, then a number, and then the word лет. Мне 26 лет. Мне 37 лет. Мне 40 лет. If you're still a teenager and your age is between 11 and 19, you'll be using the same phrase. Мне 18 лет. Мне 16 лет. And if your age ends with 2, 3 or 4, 22, 43, you will use the word ГОДА instead of лет. Год means year in Russian. Год. Мне 22 года. Мне 34 года. Мне 43 года. And if your age ends with 1, 21, 31, 51, you'll say мне 21 год. Мне 31 год. Мне 51 год. And now let's make some phrases with the words that you already know. Мне еще 20 лет. Мне уже 21 год. Мне 32 года. Почти 33. Мне уже 38 лет. It may take some time and effort to remember this, but I hope I made it a little easier for you. Let me know if you have any questions in a comment below.
Простите за нескромность. Сколько же вам лет?
К науке, которую я в данный момент представляю, это не имеет никакого отношения.
А все-таки 30, 40, 50?
Хо-хо-хо-хо. Почти. 38.
Что вы говорите?
Да.
А вы значительно моложе выглядите.
Вы мне льстите, проказница.